China's payment giant Ant Group files crypto trademarks in Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Stablecoin. Ant Group filed crypto trademarks in Hong Kong including ANTCOIN for virtual assets and blockchain, signaling Web3 ambitions despite Beijing halting its stablecoin plans over monetary control concerns. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 minutes ago. Ant Group, the fintech powerhouse behind Alipay, has filed trademarks in Hong Kong this year for virtual assets, stablecoins, and blockchain, including ANTCOIN. This, as many have speculated, is a signal to potential expansion into Web3 despite Beijing's recent regulatory warnings that forced the company to pause its stablecoin issuance plans. The trademark applications come as Chinese technology firms race to secure intellectual property in the digital asset space, even with tightening regulatory oversight. Hong Kong's stablecoin ambitions in limbo. Ant Group's trademark moves follow a dramatic reversal in its stablecoin strategy earlier this year. In June, the company announced plans to apply for stablecoin licenses in Hong Kong, Singapore, and Luxembourg once Hong Kong's new regulatory framework took effect in August. JD.com similarly pursued offshore yuan-oriented stablecoins through Hong Kong's pilot program for fiat-backed tokens. However, officials at the People's Bank of China and the Cyberspace Administration of China instructed both firms to pause or abandon their stablecoin initiatives by mid-October. Regulators expressed concern that large tech firms issuing currency-like tokens could undermine the central bank's monetary authority, insisting that the right to issue money must remain exclusively with the state, not private companies. Former PBOC Governor Zhou Xiaochuan reinforced the cautious stance at a closed-door forum in late August, warning that stablecoins could easily become vehicles for speculation or fraud, while questioning their value for everyday retail payments. Blockchain becomes cornerstone of international strategy. Despite regulatory setbacks at home, Ant has aggressively expanded its blockchain infrastructure globally. The company's Whale blockchain processed roughly 1/3 of the over $1 trillion in transactions handled by its global payments platform last year. In July, Ant partnered with Circle Financial to integrate USDC onto its blockchain platform, aiming to enhance cross-border payment efficiency for its merchant network. Ant Digital, the company's blockchain arm, has pioneered the tokenization of real-world assets in China's renewable energy sector. The unit has connected over 60 billion yuan worth of energy-related assets to AntCoin, helping companies like Longshine Technology Group and GCL Energy Technology raise hundreds of millions of yuan by offering digital tokens representing fractional ownership in charging stations and solar installations. Executives are now considering extending this approach to offshore exchanges to create liquidity for the tokens, pending regulatory clearance. The company's overseas arm reported close to $3 billion in revenue in 2024, posting profits for 2 consecutive years and establishing an independent board to prepare for a potential spin-off and listing. Digital innovation and regulatory reality. Ant's trademark filings suggest the company is hedging its bets, playing within the rules and outside them. The company has also launched consumer-facing blockchain applications. One of them is TopNod, a digital art platform where 4,088 blockchain-verified artworks priced between 8 and 28 yuan were sold within 3 hours of launch in August. Security concerns remain a critical challenge for stablecoin adoption at scale. Unless we bring hack rates below 1%, stablecoins will remain unbankable and will be subsidizing cybercrime for decades, says Mitchell Amador, CEO of blockchain security provider Immunify, noting that losses currently account for 3.6 to 4% of total value locked in on-chain finance. Chainalysis reports $40 billion in stablecoin-related illicit activity since 2022, showing infrastructure vulnerabilities even as legislative frameworks like the Genius and Clarity Acts provide regulatory pathways. Yield is another major regulatory concern, which remains the biggest fear for banks that stablecoins might reduce people's reliance on them. Speaking with Cryptonews, Colin Butler, co-founder of stablecoin DAT company Mega Matrix, explains how yield dynamics have shifted post-regulation. He explained that, The Genius Act created an important regulatory framework by prohibiting stablecoin issuers from directly paying yield to holders. It certainly hasn't eliminated yield opportunities, but shifted where and how that yield is generated and distributed. He notes that crypto exchanges and DeFi platforms now offer competitive yields of 4 to 5% or higher through promotional rewards and lending mechanisms. When consumers can access 4 to 5% yields on stablecoin deposits versus near zero on traditional savings accounts, banks will need to either improve their offerings or accept deposit migration, he noted. Notably, Hong Kong's stablecoin licensing regime has attracted global interest, though authorities have cautioned that only a few licenses will be approved initially after rigorous scrutiny. Ant's trademark applications keep the door open for participation should regulatory winds shift, while the company continues building its global blockchain infrastructure. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Ripple price prediction. Is XRP about to pump as Evernorth announces $1 billion treasury plans? XRP price prediction. Why softer U.S. inflation data could accelerate run to $2.80 XRP price prediction. Outpacing other altcoins, XRP closes week up 11.4%, momentum building. Microsoft's Copilot AI predicts the price of SOL XRP, BNB by the end of October 2025. Bitcoin price prediction. Kiyosaki says path to financial freedom paved with Bitcoin. Is he right? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Major crypto analyst warns of inevitable XRP supply shock in 2025. Is XRP about to pump? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Analyst warns the quantum dilemma could lead to serious Bitcoin bear markets. Is BTC going down? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Key weekly bounce confirms strength. Eyes crucial resistance breakout. 22 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025, by Ben Beto.